I'm Joe Castellano, Senior Port Engineer, Physical Support Branch Operations Division.
Lieutenant Venker with 86 Dive. I'm the Executive Officer for this detachment.
They're doing a facility underwater inspection of the bulkheads, the incinerator pier, the boat lift, the finger piers, and they're going to be doing the mooring dolphins out by the drift barge as well.
Hey, we have one dive supervisor who kind of is managing the dive as the overall safety. We have myself, the dive officer, 6 divers who will rotate in and out of to get training on underwater inspections and doing the reporting. And this is part of our overall training. Recon right here is a 10-day recon to just get a whole condition assessment of the pier. And this will inform repairs that are planned later this summer, where we'll actually come in and try to replace a lot of these piles and cross bracings potentially, and to get the facility back up to a better condition. USACE, thanks for having us. It's been a privilege to work with these guys. They've been super hospitable, and it's a great opportunity for our guys to train on this facility as well, better than we can get back home. So thank you guys so much.